Hey YouTube, so this is the AOAA Snow Ride 2020 Princeton Family Ride, and yes, please like and subscribe. We are currently trying to get to 100 subscribers, and by the time you see this video, hopefully we're getting close to that. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because we're just trying to get to 100 subs, like I was saying, and then we can lock in the channel name. So anyway, so this is the bucket trail that we are doing. It is one of the the flat blue trails at AOAA, and essentially it's this large series of it feels like figure eights. I did speed the video up a little bit, so it's just running at double speed, just because it didn't seem quite as scenic as a lot of the other trails we've done. This trail, for the most part, is just like a rock garden sandwiched between a bunch of tight trees. So, if you like flat, rock gardens, you probably would like this trail. If you don't have sufficient lift or sufficient tire size, that you'll probably be scraping a lot on these tires, on these rocks. And yeah, there's one of the ribbons that indicates whether or not you're on the trail or not. And you can see here, I'm just struggling with making a 3-point turn. There's the third attempt at the 3-point turn. So this is one of the kind of examples of why it's good to be in a small vehicle. So like I was saying, this trail for the most part is just kind of a bunch of figure eights. There are some optional up and downs that nobody really opted to do. I did stop and point them out to a couple people. So right here on the right, there is a spot where you can go up between those trees, right there, you can see it, and then you just make this immediate U-turn and then come down. I know it looks kind of dumb, but it's actually kind of fun to do. We did that with Jeep Jamboree 2 years ago in this Jeep, in the 4-door Jeep, and it was fine. It was a little bit tricky because it was slippery and stuff, and we almost hit the tree with the side of the Jeep. But it would probably be one of the dumber things to do, especially near the end of the day, with the area covered in snow and ice. But there's 2 or 3 spots like that. I think up here on the far right, there's another spot that you can see. I'm just going to make the left to go between those trees. However, the actual trail, I believe, goes up a little bit farther instead of this left turn, and then you can see there's 2 trees and some tire tracks, sort of. You just go straight here, and then you kind of make that turn. You go this way, but I didn't want to go up it because it looks just stupid slippery. But you just go up there and you make the left, and then you come down to there. And I told everybody in the group, hey, there's all these little optional little up and downs. If you want to do them, you can, or if you want to just skip them, that's fine too. And everybody had a fantastic day. So for the most part, I remember everybody basically skipped all the little optional up and downs, because it was just slippery, and it looked like the opportunity to add some extra details to the side of your Jeep that nobody really wants. You have a nice looking Jeep. And those are obstacles typically we do in the summer when it's a little bit more dry and not so icy. So this trail is one of the nice trails to use as a warm-up. I mentioned warm-up trails and stuff, or even trails to use at the end of the day if you want to kill a little bit of time, but you don't want to be doing anything too extremely dumb, because it's flat. It's low probability rolling over the Jeep, other than those little up and down things. And for the most part, even if you do have a problem here, it's pretty easy to get off the trail. In comparison to say Whiskey Ridge or something, where it's in the middle of nowhere, where pretty much you have to do the whole trail if you want to get off the trail. And that's the entire trail for Bucket. So please like and subscribe. Please sub if you haven't subbed. That would be fantastically awesome. Thank you.